Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. Hope everyone's doing well. Good morning, tariffs. That's what we have on board right now, as you can see. The magical world of tariffs. Where you gap down on the Globex session. Wow. 374 points. 374 point drop. Jeez. I don't know about that, pandas. Overnight, we get a bigger move than we do like the entire day. Jeez, what in the world? Oh, this is not good. Good morning, my pandas. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. I'm Bye Money. We are trading the Nascraq every single day. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. Pandas, are you ready for today? Are you ready for this week? It's going to be a wild ride. It's going to be a wild ride. What can I say? This is insane. What a drop. What an insane drop. Market's about to open in 5 minutes here. Give me a second. I don't think we have news today. I think news starts tomorrow. Let me check, though. Oh, we do at 10. Never mind. We have news at 10 today. News at 10. We have Jolt's job openings this week. Honestly, I don't think anything here is super huge this week. It's all about next week, though. I mean, next week's about, the CPI numbers coming out. That's going to be the biggest thing. Core CPI numbers. One, two, three hits. We're like in this channel, but we're also not in this channel up here. Very interesting. Very confusing, actually. No. This looks like we turn into a trading range here. Unsure. I'm gonna extend it just because we're inside it, but it looks weird. Pandas. Crimson Demon, good morning. YL, done for the day. Down 200 billion. Terrific. That wordplay. This is terrific. Terrific price action. Charles Wilson, good morning. Jamil, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. What do we have here now? I think we got to be careful today. We have a huge move overnight, but during a regular trading day, it could actually be very slow because all the actions already happened overnight. So we're gonna take it easy today, pandas. A+ setups only, yeah. A+ setups only. That means we're only waiting for support and resistances, like clear support, clear resistances. If we get reversal setups off of them, or continuation setups after them, depending on the price action, we will trade it. S tier setups only, exactly. We're gonna take it easy, bust my counts in 5 minutes. Pandas. Hope everyone's doing well. We have major earnings this week. All right. Actually, I didn't take a look at the earnings calendar. Let's see. What's the best website to look at for earnings? Honestly, I find the stock twits being is pretty good. It's not really meant for like ERs, but I think they have like one of the best ways to look at ERs. We do have a lot of earnings, but I don't know which ones are the big ones coming up. Okay. Oh, Google's coming out. That's pretty big. Google's tomorrow.
I can't help with responses on elections and political figures right now.
Oh, thanks.
I would never deliberately share something
Wow.
that's inaccurate. I can make mistakes.
Jeez, I just said the word Google and my phone decided to explain to me its political stances. UBS. Tomorrow is Google, but when is it pre or? This used to tell me if it's pre or man. This is. They made it worse somehow. They made it worse somehow. I don't understand how they can do that, but they made it worse. Anyways, markets open, pandas. S tier setups only. All right, that's all we're looking for. For instance, if we do get a bounce at the bottom of this channel trading range, then we'll take a setup. We'll take a trade. But while we're in something like this, we just sit on our pause. We don't know what's happening yet. It's like trading ranges inside trading ranges inside trading ranges. As YL says, this is terrific. YL says Google, AMD. AMD's big. Pepsi, if you like the blue chip stocks. Spotify is nice. Ones that really move the market, maybe Google. Maybe. As in like I just asked ChatGPT. Actually, I should. Why do I make peeps when I make plops? I have no idea what that means. Amazon's coming. All right. I asked the AI and it says sympathetic sphincter. Truly no idea what that means. Ooh, okay. Get a nice push up to the upside. Eggs. Eggs are the new toilet paper right now. They're insane. Actually, I haven't even looked at the prices. I just looked at news articles. I don't even know the price of eggs right now. These days, actually, I haven't been eating many eggs. I used to eat a lot of eggs, but right now I'm not eating many. I'm not eating much. Eggs are so 2024. We're getting a nice push up here. I mean, are we? Is it possible? I mean, we do have a serious gap we need to fill here, obviously. Like a serious gap on the weekly chart. Okay, we're kind of on the 20 EMA on the weekly. Daily chart. This to me looks like we are starting to enter a trading range of some sort on the daily. Could also be a double top and major trend reversal. It could be that as well. Obviously, we don't know until we break this low. Like, we don't know until hindsight bias, right? You don't really know once a breakdown is successful until hindsight bias. But you can try to attempt. Okay, it may fail second entry long here. I'll take it. All right, this is clear trading range to me. If it fails second entry long, I'll take it here. John, guess I'll get my eggs from Daryl's ranch. Oh, hello. It triggered so fast. Was not ready for it. All right, we're in. Ooh, almost get stopped out. Okay, I get stopped out. I don't mind taking that trade, taking that loss. It's coming off a resistance and getting a setup here. Feels like entry long. It does take me out, and it looks like it might make the move now. Today could be very tricky. I don't know. All right, doesn't even make the move right. We got like 3-4 traps in a row right now. Just sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause here. It's a tight channel right now. Again, I don't mind losing that. I think it was a good setup. But, I mean, you're coming off a resistance. You have a fail second entry long. I mean, you got to try, right? Just buy your own chickens. Is this new accounts? Yeah, new accounts. I don't want to talk about my other accounts. We were doing well, and then, yeah, I made some dumb mistakes. But that's the past. This is the present. Just need to focus on right now. Very interesting. I mean, this interesting as in like this is very confusing. Popping up. I have no clue. Pushing up, top of the trading range. I really thought we had a good setup here. I mean, I like this setup a lot. Okay, looking for a new high probably. New high created. Interesting. Again, having a hard time breaking out of this trading range, but we are testing the top of the trading range once again before hitting the bottom of it. This could show bullish pressure here. It's a second entry long setting up. Hidden second entry long, right? Because we had a double reversal on this one bar. That's a second entry long. Hidden second entry long. Hard to take this, right? Because if I drew a trend line here, it's not like it's touching it. Draw a trend line here. Maybe you can get away with that. Another second entry long. Are we banking on a breakout is a question. If you take this trade, you need a really good risk reward, in my opinion. Really good risk reward if you want to take this trade. Well, I'm going to assume we're in a trading range until otherwise. Until it's clearly not. Kind of looking at this channel here. Okay. Oh, another outside bar reversal. This is a deep push. Deeper pullback. All right. Another fail second entry long. I'll take it. We're coming back into our trading range. I got to try. It's huge risk, though. That's the only issue with this trade. Okay, not as big risk. That's your risk here. Second entry long. Okay, we're in this trade.
2500 tick trap.
I think again it's a good setup, but if I get taken out, it is what it is. I think it's a good setup. Fails second entry long again, top of a trading range. You gotta try, right? Oof. 2 losses in a row. I'm 0-2, but again, top of a trading range. I gotta try. I mean, we're in the trading range. It's hard to go long here, especially when you get reversal setups like that. 2 reversal setups top of a trading range. Again, I think they're good setups. We're down 0-2 right now. If I lose one more, I'm done with these accounts. Ends up breaking out to the upside. Absolutely incredible. Just wasn't. I mean, when you get a reversal setup here, another reversal setup here after the new high was being made, I gotta try to come back into the trading range. I gotta try. It looks like we're breaking out now. The fact that we're breaking out like this makes it feel like it might be a strong push up. Because we failed to reverse 2 times here and here. At what it seemed like a pretty clear bounce off of resistance here. It's okay. My risk on my 2 trades are not too bad. About 10 points each. Nice little pop up here, but if we are in a channel, this is at the top of the channel, so I'm not sure if I can go long here, even though it's obviously breaking out. I don't mind losing these trades actually. Like even though I'm down 490, we can make that up very quickly. It's just I don't want to lose 3 in a row, which is the sucky part. Because if I lose 3 in a row, then it is what it is. We're gonna abide by clear cash management. Like if we go down three in a row, we're done. I'm jumping the sim. I don't even care. Even though I only will be down really like what 600 to 700, which is fine. Okay, lower high, but top of the channel back to the bottom of the channel. Now I'll take a trade off this channel here if we do get a trade off of it. But it'll be difficult because we're underneath the 20 MA and I most likely will go long here. I don't know. Okay, limit order market on the 5-minute chart as plainly seen with the strong bull bar. And the moment it closes, people had limit orders waiting to sell. So those are the ones who are in control, those limit order bears. So we could be going back down now. I mean, I'm such a sucker. I mean, could a sucker suck this hard? Is it possible? No, I can't. Maybe a higher low, I'll take it. It's hard to take a second entry long off of this trend line only. Especially with such a strong push down and you're underneath the 20 MA. It's just like, it did have a nice bounce off for trend line. But that's all it was. I think a higher low would be nice here. Because then we can maybe get bounce off the trend line and also the 20 MA. And the 5-minute did something cheeky, right? When we come back down, we break out of here. And then we retest this breakout area. So it did something cheeky in my opinion. We didn't make the higher low because we didn't make a low yet. Or we didn't make a pivot low. We need to pivot low first. So now we have a pivot low being created. Ah, it's ugly. Very ugly. Especially when we're making a really tight trading range right here like this. Okay. Pushing down. Interesting. Is it though? Not really. The risk is quite large on this trade. It is a higher low coming off our trend line, but this is your signal bar. Ooh. Okay, kind of got a deep retracement. Might have been worth it. Ooh. Oh. Very weird. Lots of overlap. We're gonna try here, see if we can make something of this. Am I gonna get burned here is the question.
Target filled.
Okay. I'll take it. I mean, quick 10 points. I'll take it. We're 1 and 2. At least we're like kind of coming back, right? We're 1 and 2. This is a bounce off our trend line again. Second entry long, and it's just a quick scalp. Just 10 points. Can you believe that's 10 points? The bars are huge right now. They're like the ATR right now is over 14. It's 15 points right now, the ATR. So even that looks very little, that's actually 10 points. We're back on our trend line. I don't know how many times we can really test this trend line. Especially when we don't really make a serious attempt to back up to the top of the channel. When you keep grinding on the bottom of, you know, a trend line like this, then it kind of shows there's some bearish pressure here. Make sure you scalp that like button, Panis. We're 1 and 2. The quick scalp right there. It's good enough for me, though. Lower high? Am I expecting a breakdown here? I don't know. I really don't know. Okay. Pushing down. Lower high. I mean, I'm a sucker. If you give me a fail second entry long, I'm taking it. Or we could be flushing back to the bottom of this trading range. We obviously are finding our way back into it. Bears seemed like they were in control. Oof, this is far away from 20 EMA. So it's not even an A plus setup. I would say this is like a B or C plus setup here. If we take this, I need this to push up a little bit higher to get closer to resistance. But it does trigger. It could flush here, but the setup is just too far away from the 20 EMA or really any resistance. But maybe it could flush. It's just like it has good risk reward, but not good probability. Low probability. Good risk reward, low probability trade. Which sucks. Because I've been looking for that reversal for a while now. Right? I've tried it here, tried it here. It triggers here in a very nasty looking, choppy, grindy type price action. Not close to a resistance really. And I just can't take it. It is what it is though. I mean, we'll find the next setup. Plenty of opportunity. Oh shoot. We do have news at 10. Getting ahead of myself. We have news at 10 o'clock today, Pandas. PMI. Might sit in my pause still then? It's getting grindy, but it is pushing down, right? This is a successful trap, at least a 1-to-1. It's at least a 1-to-1. It's definitely not a 1-to-1 here. PMI is gonna do shite in this market. Ooh, I'll take this.
2,500.
The only problem is the risk is huge. Man, the risk is huge. Second entry short, come to Papa. Second entry short, come to Papa. Ooh, I like this trade. Ooh, triggers in the worst way possible. Ooh. Could not fill me. Pandas, it could not fill me. Coming back up to fill me. Okay, we're in. Let's see if we can get a decent push down here. Ooh. Ooh, tricky, tricky. Second just short triggers too far away from 20 MA. Still, it still bounces off the 20 MA. Maybe I had to have the big stop here, but the scalp stop was enough. If it doesn't make on the scalp, it's fine. We're 1 and 3. Kind of back to where we were. Maybe sit on my pause until news. Because that was tricky. It looked very juicy. Like super juicy. Especially with the trap on the 2500 tick chart. It looked really juicy. I don't know. This still looks like it wants to go down. Right, having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA. I'm not that eager. This looks like someone's to drop. But I'm not that eager. I'm not that eager. I'm not that much of a eager weeger. I'm not a weeger because I'm not eager. Okay, I'm definitely eager now. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm definitely eager now. If it pushes down again, pandas. If it pushes down again, pandas, I mean, you gotta try here. Oof. I had thought we were in the clear with this nice push down. But we are still chopping around here. I mean, maybe it makes sense because of news about to trigger in 10 minutes. I'll go in double position here if we go. Okay, good thing I didn't. I'll have it here in the original position. Could get stopped out though. Wow. Alright, it is what it is. I mean, technically 1 and 4. I'm done. I should stop. I'm down 900. So tricky. I really thought we're gonna push down right there. Like really push down right there. Again, like I thought it looks like a good setup too. Right? Couldn't get above the 20 MA. We waited patiently for this to happen. This happens and we tried again. It got really wacky on the 2500 tick chart. Also, with the fail second entry long on the 2500 tick, it just became like 5 overlapping bars in a row. Oh, are we making the move now? Okay. Today's very tricky. Very tricky day. Making the move now after one more big push up, taking even the swing traders out. Taking even the swing traders out, right? Because you go short here. Your swing stops up here. Takes those people out. Then it finally pushes down. Yikes. Pandas. I mean, I'm 1 and 4. I'm 1-4. I mean, technically, I should stop. Technically, I should stop. Technically. It's a big technical there. Big push down. We finally make the push down only after one more, like, just taking, everyone stops out. It just wanted to do that at one time. People were waiting here, just salivating to go short at this pivot high. Interesting. I just don't know when to wait for that situation. News about the drop. I'll just wait for news at this point. I'll take one more trade. I mean, I technically shouldn't. Pandas. Should I be a good panda? All right. I got to put a poll up. Yes, no, maybe so. Should I be a good panda and stop trading? We lost 3. We have a 3 loss differential, which means I've lost 3 times more than I've won. I'm 1-4 right now. Down 915. I hate to be red, but live to fight another day. You know what I mean, pandas? Live to fight another day. You can't stop at 915. Who stops at 915? What kind of... One more trade after news? Should I? Shall I? Second just short here. It's just so confusing. It's a small baby risk though. Looks like it's about to trap, but the traps have been failing all day today. Ooh, second short. Fight till the death. You guys are terrible. You're like, why would we ever want Panda to stop trading? Why? 36% of you guys are actually looking for my best interest. We know the answer here. The answer is to stop trading. I think I'll trade after news. I'll trade one more time. I'll take one more loss after news. I don't think it's gonna be much better after news, but I'll take one more loss. It's fail second just short here, but we missed the bottom of the trading range. Actually, like I feel like this is more of the bottom here than right here, but we do get a nice push back up. Like that's a nice trade. Don't let the Japanese win. What does that even mean? What's APNQ? I don't know what that means. What's APNQ? Is that like APT? All right, let's wait for news then. One more trade. As YL says, we can't end on 915. What kind of number is that? Wow, bottom to the top of the trading range. I mean, none of the traps work to the downside, but this first trap from the bottom, I wanted a better setup. I want to actually come to the bottom of the trading range. It ends up bouncing off here, so I'm guessing this is a true trading range. The fact that it bounced like that, I don't know. Whoa, okay. I mean, we are very volatile, but it's just not moving, right? We're choppy. We're volatile and choppy. Might be the worst combination of things. Where do you get your news? Forex Factory. I only do Um, I only do high impact news. So if it's not high impact, if it's like medium impact, then I don't care. It has to be high impact news. I only care about high impact news. It's just otherwise there's just too many news events. You're gonna think every single minute's like a news. What else is I think Rose looks like a horse. What in the world? Do other people agree? Is that more important today? Does Rose look like a horse? Is that more important than the poll I'm having here? Okay, I'm gonna keep this poll up for until news hits, and then we're gonna see if Rose looks like a horse. You know what? I'm just gonna look it up. Does Rose look like a horse? Rose black. Horse? Nah. Nah. I'll tell you what, there are horse faces out there. Some people really do look like horses, and I don't think Rose is it. I don't think Rose looks like a horse. I've seen horse faces. Like people who really look like horses for some reason. 30 seconds till news drops. I'm thinking we're gonna go down. Like down, baby. Your street in a Range Rover. Alright, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5-minute trap.
Okay, we do come back. We do come down a little bit. Hit the bottom of the trading range. I mean, I guess I'll try. Catch some of this volatility here. It gets caught at the bottom of the trading range, like pretty clearly. Okay, as long as we're in the trading range, I don't want to go short. I don't want to trade like a breakout. I'm going to bring it back here because I feel like that's basically where the news went down to. Right here. This is what I really feel like. I like it because 1, 2, 3 kind of pivots. 1, 2, 3 pivots on this. I like that, but I mean that is a nice push up back to the top of traders. Not gonna lie. All right. Fatfish's Jenny is really pretty. Price Action Rose. Price Action Rose. Have you ever seen her? She is. She. Okay. You know what? I love Price Action Rose. I'm not gonna say anything, but if you ever seen her, then you can make your own opinion. I just. Yeah. I like Price Action Rose. You know, she's hustling. Do I go short here is the question. By trading range rules, I shouldn't be going short here. I should be looking at opportunity to go long. Unless we're like down here somewhere, pandas. Like, if we're trading like somewhere down here in this area, then I'll be like, all right, let's go short because like we basically broke out. We're no longer in the gravitational pull of this trading range. But as long as we're making setups inside this trading range here, like, gotta go long. I got one more trade in me, pandas. I mean, not one more trade. If I win one trade, then we're back. We're back, you know what I mean? Huh. Is this flushing now? Hard to tell. Hard to tell. Curious to see what happens here. Ooh, okay, we failed to come back up. Pushes down. Are we flushing here is what I want to know. Okay, no flush. Come back up. Interesting. Another push down maybe? Getting a little bit choppy here. Right, like 7 overlapping bars in a row. But underneath the 20 EMA, also underneath the trading range. Interesting. Let me draw this trend line. It's hard to draw. Here we go. Something like that. Okay, bouncing off the trend line now. This could be a nice push down here. I just wish it was a second entry short. I think I'll be more interested in a second entry short in this situation. Or who am I kidding? Fail second entry short would be the best, maybe? I don't know. Okay. Second pullback. Almost triggers. Hasn't triggered yet, but we got like 10 overlapping bars in a row now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overlapping bars currently. Ooh, okay. I mean, if you're giving me the double key areas here, I'll take it. Terrible looking signal bar, unfortunately. Last trade of the stream potentially here. If I lose, I lose. I lose. Ah, I should have taken the trap back up to the top of the trading range. Like I said, the best setup was a fail second entry short, but I saw the double key area. Okay, we're done. We're done for real. For real, we are done. I can't go more than that. I'm changing sim. I cannot take more pain than that. We're jumping to sim, or pandas. I mean, what a tricky day. I don't know why I did that. I should have done the fail second entry short. I saw the double key. I mean, technically, yeah. I guess I don't know. I was being impatient there. Now watch me trade out of my mind in sim. Watch me make like 3,000 plus. We are done. We are done for real. That's what your ex used to say. Pandas, I lost 4. I have a 4 loss differential. I can't keep trading here. I simply cannot. It's just, it is what it is. On a day like today as well. Very tricky. That was such an obvious trade. I don't know, Pandas. What in the world was I thinking? All right, pushing down now. Four loss differential, man. I thought after news we'll get some volatility, but really nothing much has happened. Second entry short here, but the first leg's above the 20 EMA. It looks very weird. Second entry short, bad signal bar, lots of chop. So bullish. I had FOMO. I didn't want to see this trigger and just plummet. And I just said, okay, let's try, go short. Man, you guys just had like a whole... Oh! What? What? No one told me about this setup. Good thing. Because I'm going to lose it. All right, if I lose this trade, pandas, I'm just gonna go long. I'm going long. I don't even care. If I lose this trade, we are going back up to the top of the trading range. There's just no other way to see it. Oof. I'm glad I jumped to sim. I'm glad I jumped. I thought we were going to make a new low. Trading range rules. Just do everything opposite of what you're thinking. Okay, I want to go long, but no opportunity. 1 and 6 currently, pandas. Ah, 1 and 6. Jeez. I should take a trade on sim and just do the opposite on my actual accounts. The 5-minute, just showing us what kind of day we are having. Absolutely ridiculous. Like I said, these big days where they drop like this, oftentimes during the actual trading, it's very choppy because it already made its move, right? The market's already done its thing. Okay. 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 We're breaking down now. Did I find the one, pandas? Did I find the trade? Okay. Inside bar. Oh, eye pattern. Five overlapping bars in a row. Did I find the magic one, pandas? Did I find the magic trade? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 overlapping bars in a row. Absolutely sick. I'm about to jump to my real accounts to take this break down here. If we break this low here. This is sickening. sick to my stomach here. Bouncing off the 20 EMA now. Notice we're underneath the trading range now. We're actually underneath it. Whoa. Whoa. Nice push down. I want more. Give me more. Way more. We're going to push down one more time, I believe. I think we need one more push down here. Second inch short. Setting up. We need one more decent push down here. I'll tell you what, this market just stalled out. The volatility definitely stopped or dropped a little bit. Okay, we're in this trade.
$2,500 tick trap.
Now, I want the second inch short here. I may jump back. The second inch is short here. I'll try. It's a terrible looking signal bar though. Why does your signal bar look like this? Entry par is decent. I was thinking about jumping on my real accounts here. For what gain is this?
$2,500 tick trap.
Darn it. Hesitated too much. Definitely hesitated too much. I'm okay. I'll just... Oh, 1-to-1 was made on that. Okay. It is what it is. I almost feel like you can, like, sell anything here and make money right now. Like, we're way outside the trading range now, you know what I mean? We're grinding. We're just absolutely grinding right now. want to jump to my real counts, but this is the signal bar. I just didn't like it. Even though I liked everything else about it, the premise, the risk reward, the probability, but the signal bar. Goodness gracious. Right, even coming up to 20 EMA was nice. The quality of the signal bar was terrible. We got like 20 overlapping bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 overlapping bars in a row. Almost 20. We should get it with this push here. In my opinion, we should get to this target with this push. Just look at this, pandas. I mean, is this something you like trading when you see price action like this? You actually enjoy it? Who actually enjoys this price action? Jeez. No clue. Just sitting in my paws. It's absolutely disgusting. Wow. I mean, we're just watching this grind. Grind to our target, but we have a target. We're in a position here, so it's not the worst, but there we go. I mean, this should be the push, no? This should be the push. I think. Or not. I mean, we've been choppy enough. Maybe not. Second too short. In the most grindy market of all time. 20 overlapping bars in a row now at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 overlapping bars in a row. Oh, popping up. Whoa, whoa. Hello. I don't believe it. I simply do not believe it. We're going short again here. I simply... Oh. Whoa. 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 Whoa! All right. Anyone expecting that? Did anyone expect this push up here? I didn't. I tell you what, I wasn't expecting that push up. Not I. The 5-minute right bear bar ending on its low. Absolutely reversed. Just get smashed. Get smashed. I like if we actually touch a support here. This could pop up though. Seems like we found our direction here. I thought we broke out of the trading range. But lo and behold, here we are again. Back into it. I mean, this is flying right now. Absolutely flying out of its mind. But on a day like today, this could just reverse on a dime as well. What will it be? What will it be? I'll tell you what, though, we're in breakout mode. We don't mess with this. We don't go short here. We do not go short no matter what. We're definitely in breakout mode. Wow. Came back to the top of the trading range. That second entry long ended up working out nicely. Okay, bouncing off the top of the trading range again. Overshoot to the undershoot? Maybe that's what it was. Wow, we are popping up here. Still in breakout mode. Like really strong. Like look at this. Out of all the bars on the 5-minute chart, look at this bar. It looks very different than all these bars. Like if the price action looked like this, like we had like this price action up here and then we saw this consolidation, this would make sense, this move here. But this is just like the bull flag without the pull. Another second entry long, but mid-air second entry long. See my pause here. There's a second entry long though. Does pop up. What made a nice scalp. I mean, this is pushing up. What can I say? What can I say? I know the moment I go long, it's going to reverse and break my neck. I have a knack for it. The moment I go long, it's going to destroy me. It's going to be like a ultra trend reversal. Not even major trend reversal. It's going to be an ultra trend reversal. Second entry long off the key areas here. I mean, if we get it, I have to try, right? I have to try. This is for the two-legged pullback community here. You gotta try once you see it. Terrible looking signal bar. Like really bad looking signal bar. Okay. Pass. Smash or pass. Pass. That's what we just did. Whoa, I mean the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, the timing is too perfect. I mean, with a big move like this, are you really thinking of going short? Hard to go short, in my opinion, but you're thinking one more leg up now. Now we're above the 20 EMA. Looking for a new high. What a deep pullback though, right? For a second entry long. Looking for a new high. It's hard to go short against such a strong move. This is not. It hasn't gotten easier, even though the strong push up. Now we got this deep pullback. Right on resistance on the 5-minute chart, right on that 20 EMA, like right on it. Okay. Maybe I should wait for the 20 or the 5-minute chart, like a couple more candles on the 5-minute. Morgan Stanley called me himself. Called me himself. MS called you? Alright, I mean, if you give me the fail second too long, gonna be hard to pass. I'm not gonna lie. Strong bull bar. Okay. I like the fact that it made my decision easy. I like the fact that it made my decision very easy to cancel that trade.
2,500
It's
tick
very rare that you get like 100% know what to do type situation. In that situation, just made a new high. Okay. High or low? It's like a snake or something. Year of the snake. We got a snake on the charts.
2,500 tick trap.
I'm itching for one more trade here. Big push down. I'm itching for one more trade here. Second entry long. Hidden second entry long. Ugh. 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 Looks terrible. Okay. Okay.
2,500 tick trap.
Popping up. I mean, that's your signal bar. I can't take it like that. I cannot. Simply cannot. I mean, I still have some dignity. Little, whatever's little left in me, I still have it. That prevented me from entering long there. Second entry long. Second entry long. Terrible signal bar again. Again and again and again. Now it's getting choppy. Choppy AF. Wow. Alright. Second entry short here. I don't know what to do with this. It looks like a limit order market. If you want to go short here, you gotta have really good risk reward. Really good risk reward if you want to go short here. I don't know. I mean, look how choppy this is. You gotta just stay away from this. It's not worth it, right? If I want to like another trade, this is not worth trading this nonsense. It's absolutely nonsense here. Kind of tomfoolery. It's the market trying to play. Wow. Grinding up. Staying above the 20 EMA though, I'll give it that. Right, it seems like the smart thing to do right now is literally just a buy down here, scalp out. Seems like what the market's mostly doing right now. Just buying off of here, scalp out. Okay. High or low. This could pop up. But like as it has been, very grindy. What do I do here, pandas? What does one do here? I guess one just sits on their paws and just stare at this forever. I'm just itching for one more trade, and it's just unfortunate that the price action is up looking like this. I mean, your best bet is just to buy off the bottom of this trend line. That's your best bet, isn't it not? We got a wedge-looking situation here, though. I mean, I don't know. This is just sit and pause situation, in my opinion. Just sit on your pause and wait for it to be clear.
500 tick trap.
And clear it is not. Once it gets out of this consolidation, maybe it'll be clear. It's more rare to break out, right, of a ascending wedge like this. It's more rare to break out right to the upside. It is way more rare. But when you're like this far into that wedge, and you break out like that, yeah, it looks like this. This is technically a bearish pattern. Technically. If you're looking for a breakout, like this is actually bearish. Market shouldn't be this weak going up. So a lot of bears are trying to bet on the fact that this is due to price and it looks very weak. But I'll tell you what, we are still above the 20 EMA. Like I said, the best bet was just to buy off the 20 EMA. That's what they did. They did it here. They may do it again right here. I'll just tell you this. The moment I try, that's when they'll stop. That's, maybe I'll hard commit it in my mind, and then I'll cheat up. Ooh, fail second entry long. I'll take it. It's a beaut. It's a beaut. Ooh, okay. Very interesting. Again, people buy here. It's still scalped out. I'll take the fail second entry long. We need to trigger the setup, though. Otherwise, I'm not that interested. It could flush, but if we don't trigger the setup, I can't get in. All right. Here we go. Last trade of the stream for sure. 100, 100. Give me that fail second entry long. I need to trigger the second entry long first, right? It needs to trigger the second entry long first before the fail second entry. You can't fail something if it hasn't first triggered. Okay. Here we go. Second entry long, I mean, it might make a new high. I don't know. It's so choppy. Anything can happen, really. All right, last trade of the stream. Here we go. Ooh, we are in. Move this. Ah! Ah! I need a 1-to-1 at least, in my opinion. Nope, not good enough. If I can't get a 1-to-1, I don't even care. I don't care if I lose this. I might as well lose it if I can't even make a 1-to-1 here.
Target filled.
Pandas, are we back? holding my breath, hoping my runner will do something, but that's not that. We're 1 and... Okay, let's go back to what we were. We were 1 and 4. Now we are 2 and 4. Technically, pandas. Right, I'm 2 and 4. Yeah. No, I was 1 and 4. Was I at 1 and 5 by the time I started? I lost 4. I was 1 and 5. So technically, I'm 2 and 3. I'm 2 and 5. We got the 1-to-1 so perfectly. I think a lot of other traders did exactly what I just did because we hit that 1-to-1 so perfect. I just thought we could have a runner, but maybe today's not the day for it. I don't know. Second entry long here, high or low. I got one more in me, pandas. I mean, that was pretty good setup too. The risk reward was good. I got 24 points off of that trade, pretty much, more or less. Oh, second entry short, but look how choppy we are. It's not really... I don't know. I don't know if this is a legit setup here, but it's a second entry short, but I'm not interested. A, B, C. Second entry short, but look at it. Just look at it. Look at where it is. Look on the left. Look at how much choppy we have been. We're like still in a limit order market. Notice on the 5-minute chart, we still didn't even break a previous candle's low. A bit silly in my opinion. Inside bar creating 2500 tick chart. Right, OI pattern now. OI, but look how choppy we are. Look at this. Look at this. Are you looking at this? Oh, we hit something, pandas. Technically, if I just did this, no, I don't know. I think this wedge makes sense. Second just short. Looks like it's good for a... Nah, I don't know. Not even a scalp. What you have to do right now, pandas, is wait till the price action stops looking like this. I mean, that's the best thing to do is just be patient. Stop trading while the market looks like this. Now it's starting to break out. Now we're getting, wow. I should just buy here, huh? Should I just buy here, always in long? The next push up, just buy it. Okay, that's a deep pullback. Too deep for me. Too deep for my taste. We broke out. This pullback's too deep for me. We'll just watch. High or low? Second entry long, maybe. No second entry long? Well, not yet. We gotta break this. Okay, no second entry long. Interesting. I don't know what to make of this. Is it always in long that I just buy anywhere, everywhere? I don't think so. There's a lot of deep pullbacks here. Lots of deep pullbacks. If we pop off here, what can you do? It is what it is. We're trying to fill the gap. I mean, we're pretty close to it. We're trying to fill the gap, maybe. This is terrific. Price action caused by the tariffs is called terrific. Originated by YL himself. Coined the phrase. Give credit to where credit's due. What in the world is happening right now? Look at this. Just look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Overlapping bars in a row. What in the world? What are we supposed to do here? Frustrating. To say the least. Frustrating price action. Oh, what? Okay, I'm doing it, Pans. I don't even care. If we come back down here, I'm just buying this. I don't even care anymore. Like, Am I schmuck just not even trying here just to buy the bottom of this obvious channel? And it popped back up with, wow, the moment I try. I knew it. I knew it, Pandas. The moment I try. The moment I try. It was going to do something silly like that. I mean, how many times do you have to do it until you trap me and trick me to trying? Balancing out the 20 EMA now. I knew it, though. The moment I try. It's going to do something tricky like that. I don't know. Am I looking to go long? I mean, we are in an uptrend. No, I mean, there's no denying that. In an uptrend, is it pretty? No, not by any means. Is this pretty? But it is an uptrend. It is an uptrend. Ah, 2 and 6. I'm down 940. Not the worst. It's not the worst I've been.
2,500 tick trap.
All right, I'll try. I guess I'll try. I'll try buy always and long here. Just 10 points. Just looking for 10 point scalp. Right off. I mean, nah, just 10 point scalp. I win or lose. It is what it is. 10 one way, 10 the other way. The moment that bar closed, trying to go always and long. If I extend my stop loss, I gotta extend this. I'll just take the hit. I'll simply take the hit, whatever. Okay, I'll take the hit. That's fair. That's fair. I'd rather not risk too much there. I just bought the end, close of that 5-minute thinking. We might have some follow through, but absolute no follow through, especially on a day like today. It can just reverse here. I'll take a fail second entry long here again. Day like today, we could be in a pure limit order market. I don't know. I mean, we're in an uptrend. Top of this is too confusing. I tried to take 2 long scalps here on this uptrend. Cannot make money. Okay, interesting. Second entry long. Terrible signal bar. Market doesn't care, maybe? Is that whatever? We're going to go up. When we go up, we go up. When we go up, we go up. That's what the market is saying. I don't know. It feels wrong to go short right now. It just feels wrong to go short right now. I still want to go long. Second entry long. Still in play here. It just feels wrong to go short here. Feels wrong to go short. I don't know why. It just does.
2,500 tick trap.
Feels wrong to go short. I think mostly because the short side has very little follow through. Okay. Okay. I mean, when you're wrong, you're wrong. What can I say? When you're wrong, you're wrong. It was absolutely great to go short here. 1-to-1 was hit perfectly, like immediately. Okay. When you're wrong, you're wrong. It is what it is. You're wrong when you're long. Trading range, maybe come back into the trading range, but terrible signal bar. Come back into the trading range. Do I have one more in me, Pandas? Do I have one more trade in me? Just been scalping in and out right now. Hoo-wee. Stay vigilant in our charting here. Okay. Strong bull bar, but strong bear bar. I don't like it. I don't like anything here. I don't like anything today. Being down 1,000 is not the worst. I could just end it here, and I'll be content. Locust says, "Was this a good day for me to skip trade?" Absolutely. This is the terrible price action. Okay, we are going down. All right. I mean, the 5-minute close. That's why I didn't want to extend my stop loss, because of the potential of this happening here. I could extend my stop loss, but it would have been very painful. Especially on a day like today where we're seeing a lot of overlapping bars. You do technically not, I don't think you really want to extend your stop loss when it looks like that. Okay, new candle and 5-minute chart just began. It's an inside bar. 5-minute OI pattern. Pushing up, very strong. I mean, dare I? Daryl? Dare I, Daryl? It's not dare I, it's Daryl. Wow. Whew. Push down. 5-minute. We still haven't broken previous candles low once this happened, right? It's a spike in channel. That's all it is. It's a spike in channel. That's what we're in right now, Panda. Spike in channel. Whoo! This is tough. It's a toughie. Higher low, but tons of overlap. Nasty wick here. I'm better off selling with limit orders, buying with limit orders here, situations like this, to be honest. I think I should short here, but above the 20 May. I can't take a trade right now. It's too choppy. The breakouts are very short-lived, and it kind of goes right into chop. So it's hard to find continuation after a breakout. In fact, it's the opposite. Right, the moment this breakout candle formed, you got a limit order market just started right away. It makes me want to buy somewhere down here because of how choppy we are. Makes me want to buy somewhere down here now. I think that's my next setup. A reversal off the bottom of this channel. I think I'll be interested. Because of how choppy we are. Because we're clearly in a limit order market. I want to buy somewhere down here. And if we lose it, we lose it. And that'll be the end. Kaputs. That's it. Something cheeky happened here as well. Swing traders probably looking. I mean, that 1 to 2 was made. So, I mean, it's a good trade. Jeez. I actually missed the. I hit the 1 to 2. Oh, I actually missed it by a little bit. That would be very frustrating. Missing that 1 to 2. Okay, push up. I think my best bet is to buy somewhere off of this trend line. And because of that, I'm going to make it very, very... Yeah, here we go. I think this is fair. We do have a slight overshoot here of the channel. Could lead to an undershoot. Best bet is wait for a small undershoot and a reversal back up. That's my setup, pandas. That's what I'm looking for right now. Are we going to get it? I doubt it. We shall see, though. I can't imagine the EMINI right now. If it's this bad on a Nascraq, the EMINI is probably 10 times worse. Oh, Marcus Vaughn says this nice price action on EMINI actually. Okay, push down. Second entry long, but looking for a new low. That's what I'm mainly looking for first. Looking to test a support here. A plus setup perhaps coming up soon. Still waiting. OII pattern looks like it's about to form on the 5-minute chart. Right. OII, 2 inside bars. Depends on if we break this low on this candle or not. But OII pattern, goodness gracious. Oh, jeez. With the OI pattern, I simply can't go short here because of this trend line in the way. It's not enough room, to make bamboo here. It does trigger though. It does trigger the OI pattern with that break. I simply cannot go short right into my support here. It could break out, and if it does great. But I simply cannot go short when I know that I have a support here. That trap does fail. Second entry long forming, 2500 tick chart. I was thinking a slight undershoot might happen because we had the slight overshoot here. But looks like not even. Looks like not even. We didn't even make a new low yet. Here. This is tough. You gotta be patient though, pandas. 90% of the game is just being patient. Just bounced off so nicely off our trend line though. Like I said, I cannot go short with my trend lines right here. I just can't do it. Simply cannot do that. Just being patient. I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking for. High or low? Second entry long does trigger on the 5-minute chart. Or sorry, 2500 tick. Could be a double top here of some sort. Triple top, double top, whatever you want to call it. All I know is that I got no setups. Jeez Louise. I mean, should I have just bought here? Maybe I should just bought here. Maybe. Hindsight bias, definitely. I just wish I could see like 3 seconds into the future. That's all I want. Just 3 seconds. Is that too much to ask for? Okay. High or low, but completely choppy here. Deep push down. What am I looking for, really? What am I looking for here, pandas? Should I just be going short here? Oh my goodness, this price action is just almost unbearable. Almost unbearable here. This price action. I can't go long here. I mean, it's just obvious trading range right now. Terrible looking price action. We got tons of overlapping bars. Terrible signal bars. Okay. What in the world? Second entry long here, but again, like stuck here. Double bottom. I don't know. It's not the fact that I don't think it can break out. It's just the fact that we have so much overlapping bars. Like I'm not banking on a breakout here. Just because of so many overlapping bars, like it just seems like this trading range will continue. It's not clear in any way. Lots of overlap. Okay, trap this trigger. That was probably the best push we've had in like last 30 minutes. Just push down to the bottom of this channel. That was the best move we've had all in this entire trading range. This little bloop down.
$2,500 tick trap.
Trend line also bottom of the trading range. Nice push up here. Hard to just reverse a bear bar like this, so I wasn't looking to go long. Is it breakout time? Are we finally breaking out of this nonsense here? Or reversing back down to the bottom of the trading range? Which will it be, pandas? Which will it be?
$2,500 tick trap.
Strong bull bar ending on its high 2500 tick chart. Officially, those who traded that inside bar got stopped out. Higher low on the 5-minute chart. Right, the inside bar, those who entered this, entered here, put their stop loss here, just got stopped out right now. Does it mean anything? I don't know. When you got 5 overlapping bars in a row, though, I'm just sitting on my paws. Oh, it's tough. This is very tough. Like, if you had one shot, one opportunity, look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you've ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Mom spaghetti on my sweater already.
$2,500 tick trap.
Oh, this is wild. Okay. Pretty strong push down. You'll have strong bear legs like this in trading ranges, though. So don't get too excited when you see this. Don't get too excited when you see this. It's an O pattern. It's insane on the 5-minute chart. Extend this trading range. Lower high here. Higher low here. Not yet. High or low? Wow, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completely overlapping bars in a row. I mean, do you really want to trade on a day like today? Is today the day you want to risk any of your own personal capital? I mean, is this the day you want to do it? I don't think so. I'll tell you what, those people who love trading ranges are having a field day now. They love this. They love this price action. People who love trading ranges love this type of price action. I think I like trading ranges. It's just hard for me to like continue to like switch gears. And there will be days where it will trick you. Where you keep switching gears and then it'll keep switching gears on you at the exact same timing. Oh, it's like I just short. Looking for a new low, perhaps. But we're within the trading range, so it's hard for me to go short here. Okay. This looks wild. This looks absolutely insane right now. This looks crazy. It looks like it wants to make a new low, though, right? Having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA. Okay, strong push down. Means absolutely nothing to me. You can literally reverse on a dime here. Okay. Makes a new low finally. Something's happening. Something's happening. But what? We do not know. Okay. Maybe. Measure move. It does push down, but it's just like hard to time that. I mean, I'll take a fail second short here. Fail second short any day. Look at 2500 tick chart, just strong bear bar. Anyone's low, just bought up by bull limit order bulls. Fail second entry short here. I'll take it. I don't even care. Doesn't give you any setup though. Look at this bear bar matched with the bigger bull bar. Absolutely insane. This price action is just nutsos. I mean, I'll take a fail second just short. Sure. Whatever. If you had one shot, would this be it here? Let's dance. Let's dance. It's one contract. I was gonna do two, but let's just do one. Mainly because I have no idea what's happening. I wanted to come back up here. I surely do. But are we in a downtrend now? Have we started our downtrend? Is that what happened? Strong bull bar ending on its high. You gotta love that, but it means nothing in this market. Oh. Oh, I should just scalp out here, huh?
Target.
I'll take that. I'll take it. Just hitting that 1-to-1, it's just a win, you know. 3 and 7, down 7 hundo, down 8 hundo pretty much. 800's not bad on a day like today. Opportunity? Opportunity. Why is it an opportunity? Got an opportunity? Whew. Tough day to trade. I mean, I'll take the 1-to-1. That's fine. Curious to see if it comes back here. People will buy. Back at this level. Where I sold. Or where I would come up break even, essentially. High or low? Okay. High or low? Doesn't even come back down to this level here. It's going to hit the top of the trading range. Not even, not yet. Almost. It looks certain. It looks like a certain thing. Yes. It hits the top of the, back to the top of the trading range. Amazing. Look at this. This bear bar matched with this bull bar. And I think we are about to break out here, pandas. I think the market just said something with this bear trap. This bear trap is... Or not. What in the world? We're coming back in. Spoke too soon. I feel like the bear trap is telling, no? Is that not telling? I think it is. I think the bear trap's telling us we're going to try to push up. We're going to try to fill that gap. Right? Basically, we got to come here. I'd rather show here. We have a weekly... gap here. And a daily gap on the Globex session. You see? We opened way down here. Remember, this is the Globex. And we're finding ourselves so close to it. It just seems like a strong magnet. But who knows? We don't have to fill it. We don't. Especially when your price action looks like this. Jeez. I mean... If we hit the bottom of this trading range again, I think I'm just going to buy it with a limit order. I mean, do you blame me? Can you blame me? If I just want to buy, if we come back here, just buy it. Like, can you blame me? Seriously. Can you blame me just wanting to buy down here? Oh. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Now 790, but I feel like it's not that bad. I'm 3-7. I have a 4-point differential currently. Am I 3-7? Okay, as this does absolutely nothing, I'm just gonna keep my order here and see what happens. What is my actual record? Let's count it up. L here. 0-1. 0-2. 1-2. 1-3. 1-4. 1-5. 2-5. 2-6. 2-7. 3-7. All right, we counted right. 3-7. 3-7 today. I'm like, can you blame me? Just wanted to buy here. Can you really blame me for this? Second entry long, but we're within the trading range and we're at the top of it, bouncing off with the strong red bear bar here. I'm not looking to go long here. Simply not. Especially when we got 5 overlapping bars in a row. I'm just not interested. It could go up, but I'm just not interested. Too hard to tell. The probability is too low on whichever direction. We are clearly above the 20 EMA though, which is nice. Like if I didn't have all this stuff on the left, I might go long, right? If it looked like this, maybe I'd go long. But when you have all of this before it, it's hard to do that. Very difficult. Okay, popping up a little bit. Still doesn't mean much to me, but popping up a little bit. Just look how many overlapping bars there are. I mean, we don't have a clear breakout. Not in any sense. We still don't. Even with a strong bull bar here, I mean, it doesn't mean much. We got to break above the trading range in order to have a clear breakout, then retest the top of the trading range. That will be our S tier setup if we get one. But until then, pandas, we're just watching this. Went back and forth, ping-ponging, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, balancing, double top, or whatever you want to call it. Can you blame me? You just wanted to buy down here. Can you blame me? Look at the price action so far. Okay, come back down. Top of the trading range, back to the bottom trading range, perhaps? I don't know. Staying above the 20 EMA, but so many rejections up here. So much overlap. Hard for me to go short, though, here. I mean, I could try. I'll have a short stop, though. I mean, I wouldn't have a wide stop loss just because of potential breakout. Okay, pushing up again. Right, 1, 2, 3 attempts now to break out now. I mean, is it like pressure cooking? This is what you call a pressure cooker of some sorts. Just slowly building up to it. Potential good risk reward here, though. I'll give you that. Breakouts, good risk reward, though. So if you want to do it, but the probability is so low. Low. You got to do whatever you can to increase your probabilities if you're a breakout trader. I don't know, pandas. Second entry long. Is it time? Is the timing correct? Is it time to break out here? Outside bar reversal. Doesn't look like a breakout yet. Okay. This price action, pandas. What can you do? Am I banking on a breakout today on such a choppy day? I don't know. Pandas, what do we do here? I mean, should I just go short? The problem is it looks like it's pressure cooking here. It looks like it's pressure cooking. All right, we're clearly above the 20 MA. We're just grinding near the top of this trading range. Triggering the second entry long here. Triggering the second entry long here. Are we in breakout mode? Not yet. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this, pandas. It failed. It basically failed, right? What am I waiting for here, pandas? I do not know. I actually don't know what I'm waiting for. Am I waiting for the breakout or reversal? What am I waiting for? Okay, trying to break out. Created a nice strong bull bar ending on its high. Trying to break out. Could be a failed breakout though. Be symmetry with what happened down here. Looks like it's gonna break down. Symmetry come back up. Looks like it's gonna break out. Comes back into our trading range. Robert asks, should he try to pass all his accounts? I mean, I always recommend just passing with news, max contracts, and try to pass with a news event. This week, the news is not that strong. Next week, CPI numbers is probably the best news event you can use to pass your accounts. If you want to pass your actual accounts, then of course, if you don't know, like if you're gonna pass them, I would say do one at a time. Do one at a time, because you're most likely gonna bust them, and at least you get 3 shots. Right? At least you get 3 shots. That's my recommendation. If you're gonna actually try to legit pass it, then do it individually. Unless you have a high degree of certainty, or you feel very confident that you can pass them, then you're gonna copy them. But if you feel like you're not gonna pass them, then do one at a time. Get 3 shots. Learn as much as possible, And hopefully by the time you get funded, all that what you learned, you can apply it and yeah, make some real bamboo. Just take your time. There's no reason to rush here. The futures market's not going anywhere. Lower high here. Oh, with the failed breakout attempt. What is this, Panda? What am I staring at? What have I been staring at for the last like hour or so? I'm looking for one opportunity, one shot. You got one shot to seize everything you ever wanted in a moment. Would you capture it? Or just let it slip? Such a deep question, Pandas. Such a deep question. Especially when it comes to trading, you only got one shot, one opportunity. This market is absolutely just kaputs. It's crazy. Lower high here. Fail second entry long would be my setup here. Okay. Decent push down. It makes sense for this to come back down just because it could not break out. So fail second entry long would be my setup. The question is, will it actually set up though? Or will it flush without me? Looks like it's going to flush without me. At this point, do I even want it? It's so far away from 20 MA. Yeah, that lower high, most traders are waiting for that lower high, I guess, to jump in. Okay. Now we get the trap. A little far away from 20 MA though. Therefore, I pass. Robert, I think everything you said just made complete sense. You got to go for it. I'll just say stay away from today's market. Okay, it looks like it's going to trigger the trap, but it's just too far from 20 MA. Too close to supports on the higher time frames. Let's push down. I'm just going to buy here. I don't even care. I mean, how long have I had this order for? How long have I had this order here for? Just to buy on this insane limit order market. We get a decent push down to it, but we didn't hit it yet. We didn't quite get there. I mean, I'm going to just buy it where I think it's the bottom of the trading range, and I just got to stay vigilant on this. If it goes back up, it goes back up. Pandas! Scalp that like button. We're down 790, but Pandas, it feels like a win here though on a day like today. It feels like almost a win. My record's 3-7 right now today. Not the best, I'll tell you that much. This is like a game of patience, really. Such a game of patience here. Okay. Okay. Stay vigilant. keeping my entry here for who knows how long it's been down here. I think it's been an hour since I had this order. It's been 1 hour. All right, it's my one order. It's my last trade. I mean, I've had it up here for so long. Bottom of the trading range. And let's just see what happens. You know what I mean? I lose it, I lose it. We end the stream. I win it, I win it. It's almost filling me. It's teasing me at this point. I'm going to say vigilant here, Pans. I'm going to keep it here. All right, we're in this trade. How wide of a stop do I want? Whoa, hello. I don't think I wanted that wide. I don't know. Strong bear bar on low. Most likely breaking down now the moment I try to enter to go long. Probably in a downtrend. Probably like reversing here now. Failed to break out. Ooh, nice little pop up.
Target.
All right, I'll scalp out. I'll take my scalp. I think my little scalp. I'll do it. I think my little scalp. Scalp. I could have got a lot more than a scalp though, Pandas. I'll tell you that much. I just saw the strong bear bar ending on his low, thinking it's doomsday for me. And I said, all right, I'll get a scalp if I can just get one at this point. But I should have just held it. What in the world? My cojones are just not strong enough, Pandas. What can I say? Could have doubled it up. At least to the 20 EMA, right? At least to the 20 EMA. What are we? 4 and 7 now, Pandas. One more trade to end the day. Is it even worth to trade on a day like today? Is it even worth it? At least on the bright side, all my counts are exactly the same. Top left of your screen, you can see they're exactly the same, which is great. It looks nice. They're not even off by 1 cent. Wow, I really could have held it to the top of the trading range, Pandas. I was just way too weak. My cojones were way too weak there. I think I was just so eager. I've just seen so many days like this just scalp out and not swing. Like, it's so much better just to scalp out on days like today than trying to swing it. Typically is the case. Typically is the case. What do we have here now? La da da. Come quick, see. What do we have here now? Ra da da. La da da la la. 5 minute looks almost explosive, right? Clearly above the 20 MA. Strong bull bar setting up here. Could be nice. Could be nice little pop up here. Could also not be nice and just destroy you. It's just like the 5 minute is like a bull bar breakout. It still looks like spike in channel of some sort. Now it looks like this. Or spike in channel. Okay. Didn't quite get to the top of the trading range. Imagine if you went long here. You're like, oh, I'm holding it. I'm holding it. And you see the strong bear bar like this. Imagine how that feels. I know exactly how that feels. I've been there way too many times. Higher low. See if it gets anywhere. In my opinion, it's not worth taking the breakout until we break out. Or just try to catch a little bit of the momentum. That for me is probably the best thing. Like once it actually breaks out, like we break above this high with strong bull bars, then just try to capture a little bit of that momentum. That's like what I think is the best to do. You're not going to capture the whole thing, but you're going to catch a little bit of the breakout. Higher probability. Like, don't trade while you're confused. See, that's the reason why I would suggest that, or I would wait for that. It's because at least I won't be confused. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Down 535. Feels like a win today. No? Does that not feel like a win today? On a day like today? Okay, pushing down here. Absolute nonsense right now, but still, whatever. It is what it is. Is this what's happening here? I don't know. All right, one more setup, pandas. Got one more in us. Being down 500, it's not too bad. Like if you're gonna have an L, being down 500 is great. If you're gonna have an L day, being down 500 is great. I think personally. Okay. Okay.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay, pushing up. This could be the breakout here. This could be the breakout here. I just want to see a breakout and I want to jump in the momentum. But I need some strong bull bars. Okay. Okay, that's not a strong bull bar. I don't know. Just pressure cooking right now. Look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. I mean, look at this. Just staying above the 20 EMA here. 1, 2, 3 hits. Several failed attempts to break out here. One more trade to rule them all. Pandas, don't forget today, or use code BBM for 80% off. And it's going to last until... When did I say? It's going to last till the 5th, which is Wednesday. Just take advantage of it while you still can. Don't forget to use code BBM, 80% off. Ends Wednesday, pandas. That's pretty soon, actually. Maybe Daryl's celebrating Black History Month. Okay. Back to the bottom of the trading range, perhaps. Why not? We hit the top of the trading range. Why not hit the bottom of the trading range? Why not? One more time. All right. This is it. If we don't break out here, pandas. Closing the stream. Pushing down now. Curious to see if we're going to break this triangle. This trend line. The reason why is on the 5-minute chart, you can see the same one. Right, you can see the same one, spike channel. This is the bottom of it. All right, pandas, this is it. This is it. What we all been waiting for.
$2,500 tick trap.
Pandas, get ready. Get ready, pandas.
Trap.
This is it. Wait, what's happening? This is supposed to be it. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting, pandas. Pressure cooker time. Pressure cooker time. This is a final setup. If we don't do it here, pandas, we're never gonna do it. The 5-minute pressure cooker setup. Ooh, about to trigger. Get ready. Oh, get ready. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, here it is. Ooh. Pandas. This is it. The setup to rule them all. That's not good. That's not good. The moment it enters, it's just a reverse. That's not good. That's not good at all. What was I thinking, pandas?
Target filled.
I'm absolutely skunking that. I have no idea what's happening. I'm so scared. All right, pandas. I think that's it. That's my call. I got too scared to trade that breakout, and it might actually happen now. But who knows, pandas? It is what it is. Pandas, we're down 505, and I think that's a dub for a day like today. It is what it is. Pandas, if you're going to have an L day, you got to keep it small like we are doing today. And it is what it is. Some days you got it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But pandas, I think tomorrow we're going to have a better day. So remember, pandas, we'll be back live at it again, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Make sure you're there. I hope to see you guys. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
5-minute trap.